These are Gallinule chicks, the offspring of the common Gallinule. A precocial animal, they are born already partly mature with hair and feathers, their eyes are open, and they are able to move around and respond to stimuli shortly after hatching here in the Florida wetlands. This precocial behavior is an adaptation that helps the Gallinule chicks survive in the challenging wetland habitats where they live. By being able to move around and feed themselves at a young age, these chicks are less vulnerable to predators and can quickly learn important survival skills from their parents.